Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT convertible with a GroundFX kit, high wing, and MagRide suspension. This one is painted in Arctic white with the adrenaline red interior. Okay, we'll go ahead and start here at the rear of the vehicle. So we got the trunk open, so let's take a look underneath here. So underneath the trunk, you can see it looks great there. Inside, we got a nice spacious capacity, being a convertible. We got the cargo net here, it's all lined. You can fit a golf bag back here or shopping items or whatever you prefer. Let's close this lid. It does have the soft close, so it caught there. Zooming out here, you can see the roof is down there. There's your black with the adrenaline red, and you can see the nacelles are painted carbon flash metallic, and the whole roof is as well. Back here is where the engine is. So it's a 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8 producing 495 horsepower. It's paired to an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, as all C8s are. As we move back here, you can see the Stingray is done in carbon flash metallic as well. And then we'll see the high wing there, also carbon flash metallic. So get a little bit of this metallic in it. And then we'll come back here. Down below, it also has the NPP performance exhaust option. So that allows you to change the exhaust note from loud to quiet, or vice versa, and you can do that while you're driving the car. So really cool feature on that, and it bumps the horsepower up 5 horsepower to the 495 instead of the 490. All right, let's check out these really cool wheels. So these are the forged wheels. It's a 20 spoke design, and these are the dark gray with the red pinstripe all the way around. And we got Michelin tires on this car all the way around as they came from the factory. A 305/30 ZR20, and it has the bright red brake calipers. Check out the front here. So the front tire size is a 245/35 ZR19, so we got a nice staggered wheel. You can see the calipers and brakes are larger in the front, and those red calipers do say Corvette on them as well. All right, let's check out the interior now. So we got a mostly black door panel. You're gonna see the adrenaline red stitching, so it's a nice straight stitch, and the armrest is done in the adrenaline red. It also has a stealth package, so you can see it has the black trim instead of the silver. It has the Bose Performance Series sound system, so you got the upgraded sound system, the memory package for the passenger, power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. Let's check out the dash on this side here. So you can see the red stitching continues, some red highlights. Open the glove compartment. You can see it's got the owner's manual in there, and you can see the stealth trim there. Let's check out the door jambs, nice and tidy. Kick plate looks great, clean throughout. Has the upgraded all-weather Corvette floor mats there. You can see the Corvette Jake skull there. And then we have the 8-way power seats. So it's got power bolster and lumbar as well. And we'll scan the seat here. Again, adrenaline red leather. And these are the GT1 seats. Coming to the center, you can see the speaker grill there. It has a 70 badge, making note that is a 23 model. And then we have the wireless charging station right between the seats there for your cell phone. Close that door. Let's check out the wing here. So the high wing, let's walk down here. There's your carbon flash roof, and then your adrenaline red seats, carbon flash around the window surround there, and carbon flash mirror caps. So you can really see the metallic in it there. The carbon flash around the venting here. Check out these wheels here. Really love the contrast of the colors. And we have the full skirt package on this one. So you can see it's got the full side skirts and the matching front spoiler to the side skirt. So the nice wings up there for the aerodynamic look. LED headlights, we'll see them on in a bit. And you can see the car looks great. It's got the front cameras on both sides there. Here's your the front trunk. And then inside, we got another storage capacity, so we can put a bag in here. We got the cargo nets here. There's your front plate mount. 12-volt socket there where you would charge your battery with the trickle charger. Close this trunk lid here. We'll step back, and you can see the paint looks wonderful, nice and shiny. Even being white, looks wonderful. All right, let's check out the wheels on this side here. So the rims look great here. It also has the black lug nuts, it looks like. Another upgrade. And here's your door on this side, so it matches the other side. So again, that red stitching, the black door panel, the black trim pieces, the Bose sound system, the memory package for the driver as well. We have the power mirrors, power folding mirrors, folded in and back out again. Blind spot monitoring there. We got the power windows, you got your power convertible hardtop features and your rear window. Down below, power locks and electronic door release, front and rear trunk. Again, that nice red trim there against all that black, looks great. Here is your dash. There's your heads-up display slot. It does have heads-up. Coming into the jams here, they look great just like the other side. Very nice. All right, down below, there's your pedals. Again, the all-weather Corvette floor mats, your 8-way power seats, and we'll scan the leather on this side. You can see it looks like new. And the Corvette flags on the headrest there. Let's jump in the car now. I'll start over here. So we got the nice sleek vents in the C8. So your HVAC there. Here is your heads-up display controls. Down below here, you got dash dimming lights, and then we have your electronic parking brake. On the steering column, we got power tilt and telescopic wheel. Here we have your headlight controls. We do have paddle shifters on both sides, so upshift, downshift. The Z button takes you to your performance pages. And then we have your cruise control settings here. And then we have audio on both sides of the bottom of the wheel. Heated steering wheel, Bluetooth voice command, your arrow keys here. And then we have your windshield wiper controls there. We'll start the car up. It's push button start. And we'll zoom back out here so you can see this steering wheel. So it's got the flat top, the flat bottom. You got the red center point here, and the wheel is black. We got the bump outs here, and inside the wheel here is all the red stitching. The horn cover is done in the Corvette flags. Coming into the dash here, we got the full digital cluster. Mileage on this car is 1,929 kilometers, so less than 2,000 kilometers on this car. Nice low kilometer Corvette. We have the universal garage door opener in the visor. Here's your light sensor rear view mirror. It does have the rear camera mirror as well. Functions when the top is up. Then down here we got the nice 8-inch touchscreen. So we'll go over a couple icons here. It does have factory nav. There you are there, back home again. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a performance data recorder, your climate controls. I'll hit this button here, here's your front camera. So there's your front and the side angles there. I'll throw it in reverse. So you can see it's got reverse camera as well. Coming down here, you got your automatic transmission controls. And then we have your traction control and front camera button. So that's a quick way to get to your front camera there. Here's your mode selector. So it's a dial underneath. Come back into the dash here. I'll turn the dial to the beginning. So you got weather mode to start with. You got my mode, so you can customize it how you want your driving style. Tour mode. And every time I turn that dial, it's changing the metrics there. As you can see, we got sport mode and track mode. Sport and track open up the exhaust port so it's louder. And then down here we got your climate tower. We do have dual zone climate control, and then we have heated and ventilated seats for both passenger and driver. And then here we have your flags, the adrenaline red console here. 2 cup holders there. Coming into the console cover, it's black with the adrenaline red. Lift this up here, put my hand in there. You can see how deep it goes. You got auxiliary and USB there. All right, now we will open this door up. I will turn on the lights and let's give it a couple revs. The exhaust is open. You can hear how well this car sounds and how well those revs climb. All right, let's hit this button here and watch this convertible top feet function. Now you can see it's all painted carbon flash under there as well. Here's your carbon flash roof. You can do this while you're driving the car as well. And the top is up. The windows go up, rear windows, side windows. It also has the window tint there, so you can see it matches the really works out well with the roof. Here's your headlights, and look at that great looking car. Let's spin this car around now. In my opinion, just all the right colors on this car. Everything just works. The wheels, the seats, the paint, the highlights, There's your LED taillights, and listen to that exhaust. Very nice. So here we have it. This is a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT convertible, MagRide NPP exhaust, high wing, and full GroundFX package. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.